I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this awesome camera case that I've been using and loving. This fits my Canon EOS R50. It also fits a number of other camera cases and accessories, or anything, any other little small things you can put in there. And then we have the part where you can put your lenses and your camera. So this is adjustable in here, this Velcro. So you can move these around to adjust for your lens sizes, for your camera size, any of those type of things. There you go. In here as well, as you will see shortly. Just adjusting my camera here. So first of all, it has this nice hard case. Has a handle up top, nice and comfortable, and it also comes with an adjustable strap that you can take on or off. I typically don't have it on, but I just put it on for the purposes of this video. I usually just like using this case up here. We have two zippers here. It opens up. Inside, we're going to have this zippered pocket, which can hold all sorts of accessories, cords. I put some extra lens caps in there for now. You can put instruction manuals, anything you see fit. Then here is a nice slot for your SD cards.